How to transfer files from iPhone to PC wirelessly. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files from iPhone to PC wirelessly. First, you need to open up wireless syncing through iTunes. Start by connecting your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Now open iTunes and select your device by clicking the device icon in the upper left corner. Next, click on Summary from the left side menu, then scroll down and select the option Sync with this device over Wi-Fi. After that, click Apply to save the changes. Now, disconnect the USB cable. When both your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your iPhone will automatically appear in iTunes. Now, whenever your iPhone is plugged into power and iTunes is open on your PC, it will sync wirelessly. You can now transfer albums, songs, playlists, movies, photos, videos, and more without needing a USB cable. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.